Mm-hmm. Look at the look. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Something's giving me a shot.
That's not
Turn
a...
your head just a second. Let's see if that's it. No, it's not.
Is it done or what?
Huh?
You gonna do that until it's done?
Yeah, I think so.
It shouldn't be much longer.
Nah, we're closing the gap. A little oxygen.
Yeah. A little oxygen.
Yes. Look what. Never mind. Way better than I can tell you.
So this thing, yeah, comes in and out of focus here
It'll do it for you.
by itself. Yeah. All right.
And straight up, despite the fact we use a photocopy today for reference, I've got a clean one with me that I was going to give you anyway. I'll be keeping the original for the vault.
What time is it?
Like 8:30.
Nah.
Serious business.
Motherfucker, it is 9:03.
Is it? Lock it up a little bit.
Pretty much on schedule, though. We started a half hour late. We knew it was going to be about 5 hours.
We took, the breaks.
Exactly.
I expected this to be about a 5-hour piece.
Okay, right.
It was strange, really.
Right.
That's why I got here at 3. I knew that, we weren't finished until 10. That's why when you asked me what time am I expected, I said no expectation.
Awesome.
The wife even told me when I left, she goes, let's be honest,
Nah,
you ain't going to be home until late. I said, well, that's the deal.
That's burning. Just a bit.
That's why I kept talking the whole time.
Ah.
That's right on the try.
And fuck you, bitch.
Most people wouldn't sit all day for it. So that's a good thing on your part. Most people would be like, yeah, come back next Saturday. Fuck that, dog. Exactly. I feel you on that one. Even Thomas's Tribal, I never worked on that dude, never. More than about 4 hours at the most, ever. Starting to fill faster the higher we go up because of the lack of peach fuzz.
Okay.
So that's a good thing.
Alright. Oh.
Bloodlust. Kidding. Please don't double the fizz. I get nervous. Yeah, that shit's coming together. Another little back on track.
Let's get all that back on board.
You gotta relate to the matter as I drop the bomb. Colin smoked about 2 packs of cigarettes. That's how you do it. Damn, I'm motherfucker's looking good. What do you think, Joe?
I think it looks good, man.
Starting to flow?
Yeah.
Look at all that intricate. So these recorded videos, you can throw them right onto MySpace?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to hit my site with this. I've never had anybody film me tattooing. Good enough, brother. Goes into the top already. Definitely an arm piece.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm giving a damn about you.
Yeah, and you'll be able to edit all the BS. And those would be the size of ecstasy.
I know you're tired of this. We'll be done real soon. That's a lot of fucking roots.
You wanted roots? There's roots. It's good.